sometimes the visa thing and all these things can take a lot of time. But with our experience, if we have the correct visa letter, then we also have seen this thing in the visa getting approved in less than 1 week's time. Uh, so to have these proper approval letter from hospital is very important for getting the visa on time.
Absolutely. And one thing we always tell our international patient, because sometimes, again, they come with a very different healthcare culture in their country. They do not understand that how the process works here. And we say the letters that get issued by the hospital are done after a lot of verification. It's not that the hospital issues the letter to each and everyone, because it brings a huge liability. Because as we have seen working together and with our other patients, that these letters from these highly renowned hospitals and the medical institute hold a lot of weightage when it comes to getting the expedited visa. In many countries, the wait for the US visa is over 2.5 to 3 years, whereas in our experience, we have seen the letters coming in less than a week. Like, sorry, they're getting the visa in less than a week for the patients. And that is because these letters have a very, very strong, kind of like, strong push when it comes to medical visa. One thing we do tell patients that we cannot get into the visa process with them. We can get into the medical visa part of it, but other than that, the patient has to work with their local embassy, make sure that everything that they have done in their country is has been good and on the positive side of that. And if that is there, it is always with the surety that the patients get visa. We have not seen the denial case if there has not been any other thing related to it. So they always receives the visa.
Yeah, I'm one of the I've seen so many patients you have helped getting into trials and getting them the correct treatment. Majorly because there are so many good hospitals, it is difficult for the patient also to choose which is the right for his type of disease and what kind of treatment. And every hospital has its own specialty. And with you there, you are the right person to select, the hospital for that kind of a treatment. So and the work that you are doing is of course is beyond doubt is very very helpful for patients. And it's always pleasure talking to you and working with you. Hope we'll be able to help these kids who are suffering from this autoimmune disorders get into the Seattle trials and help them in recovering from their disease. Thank you very much for your time.
Absolutely. Always pleasure working with you. And you're helping patients not only in India, but from around the world. And we always are very happy working together, because our goal as together, our purpose and mission is getting the patients who need the access to the best care and the best hope. And looking forward to work together. And thank you.
Thank you very much, doctor.
If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon to receive notifications. If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon to receive notifications.